If you're looking for the perfect party appetizer, this bubbling, cheesy, hot crab dip is just what you're looking for. It's so simple to make. Let me show you how. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today I'm making my favorite party appetizer. This hot crab dip is sure to please anyone that tries it. It is cheesy and bubbling and amazing and loaded with fresh jumbo lump crab meat. And it's super simple to make, and you can even prep it in advance. All you need to make your crab dip is 8 ounces of cream cheese, jumbo lump crab meat. You want the fresh stuff. You don't want the kind that you find on the shelf with like the tuna fish. You want to go to the seafood department and get the jumbo lump crab meat. Some minced onion, some pepper jack cheese, cheddar cheese, minced garlic, mayonnaise, sour cream, salt and pepper, lemon, and Tabasco sauce. A lot of people are going to want to fight me on this, but I do not put Old Bay in my crab dip. You can certainly add a little pinch of Old Bay if you like, but I leave it out. And trust me, you don't need it in there. It is so amazing without it. So to start our crab dip, we're just going to add all of the creamy ingredients together first. So take your cream cheese, add the mayonnaise, all of it, the sour cream. And you want your ingredients to be just about room temperature. You want your cream cheese to be room temperature. Otherwise, it's not gonna blend well together. And then just beat this together with a hand mixer on low speed. Once your ingredients are well blended, you can put your mixer aside, and we're just gonna fold in everything else. So we're gonna fold in our onion, the pepper jack cheese, your cheddar cheese, the minced garlic, pinch of salt and pepper, squeeze of lemon, make sure you catch those seeds, and just fold all this together. And then once you have all of your cheese and everything folded in, we're going to add the crab, and you're gonna fold that in as well. You just don't wanna break up those beautiful lumps. You wanna be able to like dip into this dip once you're serving it and get like the big chunks of crab meat. But I really love the jumbo lump, and if it's a special occasion, it's kind of worth it. So just wanna not break up the pieces too much. You want a few pieces that are intact. And then I just take a few lumps out just so I can put them on top as a garnish, so people know that they're eating crab dip. I mean, once you eat it, you're gonna know it's crab dip. I'm gonna put the whole pound of crab meat in there and fold it in again. Oops. Once you have the crab meat folded in pretty well, you wanna add just some Tabasco and then fold that in. Once you have everything folded in, we're gonna transfer this to a baking dish and bake it in the oven. See how easy that is? So amazing. Now we transfer to the baking dish. You just need a little one. It's just dip, so no need to pull out the giant casserole. And just even it out in the baking dish. Make sure you get all of it. I also make a cold crab dip where you don't even have to bake this in the oven. It's very similar. Okay, that's it. We're gonna pop this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until it's bubbling and golden brown. The crab dip is done, it's bubbling and perfect, and you should just let it sit for about 5 minutes before you serve it. I'm going in. Got a big lump of crab on there, that cheese. That is so good. It's very rich. And you can taste that crab, big hunks of crab. The cheese is amazing. The best dip ever made. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.